So if you're editing in CapCut, here's how to upload custom fonts. So firstly, of course, you want to download your font. So for this example, I'll be using FontSpace. So we'll be taking this font. Alright, so just going to click download. Okay, so once that is downloaded, you're going to go into your folder, documents, and then you will see it right here. You need to install these fonts, yeah? So you just highlight them. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to pull up CapCut, click this, okay, and then you want to go into text. Then you're going to click to default text. It will appear here, okay, and then add system right here is where you're going to search for the font that you downloaded. So you will appear it right here, and just like that, you have downloaded your font. So now you know.